Alright, so this bird decided weed whacker rope. Yep, weed whacker rope is a great addition to its nest. Yeah, why not? Don't know why. That's crazy. This out of the way. Look at it. It's gonna damage his eggs. Its eggs. Silly buggers. Look at it. It's actually looking for it. Like, get out of here. So someone asked, there is babies in the egg, obviously, a young one in the egg, and for some reason the egg's like ready to get hatched, but the pigeon dies inside the egg. Sometimes it happens. If it happens a lot, could be not enough nutrients from the parents, probably. I've heard too much calcium, could be, which means the egg's too hard. Another good thing will be like to put the date on the eggs or a piece of paper. 18 or 19 days if it's over that. Maybe give it a bit of a crack and see if that helps. Another thing could be the parents maybe need to be put aside, be on some medication, get the parents healthy, or swap the eggs and see how you go, see how that works. I don't know. Sometimes that happens, but if it happens a lot, the only way you could really find out is if you take the parents to a pigeon vet and get them checked. That's all I can think of. But yeah, hopefully it stops happening to you and get some nice young ones going. If anyone else has better ideas of why or how to prevent it, yeah, let the person know and put in the comments. It'd be awesome. I think we would all like to get some more ideas on that. That'd be cool.